RUM Stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Rumble Incorporated sitting at $12.68. It's 2.7% down. Next question that will normally arise is, are you gonna buy right now? Simple answer is not yet. Not yet. I mean, yeah, the buy is in question, but not yet. I have done 33,000 videos, spent thousands of dollars on course cement trips, and I'm only gonna buy if the price shows me what I want to see, which is a clean shift in the markets, like how we shift from bearish to bullish. That shift, those signs, I want to see those signs and then take a buy, because I would not just randomly guess because it just retraced, you know. I mean, I've been there, done that, and from a lot of repetition, I mean, you can see how much videos I've done, 33,000 over the last 4 years. I have seen what's worked for me, what's not. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. There is that free newsletter, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.